I've set a cityscape as this week's watercolour extra challenge on my Patreon site, and Lucy's commented that painting cityscapes makes her brain hurt, and one day she'd love to be able to paint a decent one. And to be honest, I'm in exactly the same boat. When it comes to cityscapes, I paint one about every 6 months or so, something like that. So I've never really developed the skills or techniques. 99% of the paintings I do are landscapes, and so when people say to me that they're frustrated that they can't paint the same way as me in the landscapes, I'm coming at cityscapes from exactly the same perspective. It's simply down to practice. There's no shortcuts. I look at some of the cityscapes some of the other artists have done, and I'm in complete awe of the way they can sort of manipulate the brushes and the colours and the contrasts and create these wonderful works of art. But I can't expect to be able to produce the same quality of work if I'm only going to do a painting every 6 months of a cityscape. And so it's the same when people are painting the landscapes and following my videos. I would recommend, rather than sort of painting once a week and a massive long session, painting little and often. My paintings only take about 20 minutes, but I try and do one every day. I used to do, time's a little bit more difficult at the moment, but when I have the time, I try and paint one every day, rather than sit at the easel for like 3 or 4 hours painting loads of paintings. Little and often is the way I've always come at it from. Just 20 minutes a day, that's all it takes, and over time you'll just build up your skill set, and and eventually these things will come naturally to you. I know a lot of people have expressed their frustration with paintings, but I always say there's never a wasted painting. You're going to learn something from every single one you do, and that's why I always advocate little and often. If you just paint a little bit each day, you'll learn more from your mistakes than you will from when things go wrong, and you can take that to the next painting. If you take a look at the photograph I've posted on the Patreon page, it is a very, very difficult subject. It's almost like a sort of overhead view of this city. They must have been stood on a roof block or something. But I'm convinced that in time, with practice, cityscapes can be painted as fast and loose as the landscapes. It's just all about developing, adapting your techniques and learning different ways of approaching elements that you wouldn't normally paint. So instead of a tree, you're painting a tower block. When you break it down, it's the same as a landscape. You've got your vertical elements and your horizontal elements, and it's all about creating that mood and atmosphere that I've spoke about in previous videos. So I'd recommend finding a quiet corner in your house, rather than having somewhere where you have to set up all your gear every time you want to paint. Just find a quiet corner where you can leave things permanently set up, where you can just go at any point. You've got to worry about setting kit up. You can just go there, just spend 20 minutes, just do a little bit of painting. Don't worry if it's not a masterpiece, but in time you'll develop your skill set, and eventually things just click, and you'll wonder why you couldn't do it before.